When I was a little girl, my mom taught me a thing or two, and these are the beauty secrets I want to share with you. She said, Shenaz, no matter where you go, always let nature help you grow. She gave me glasses of cucumber juice to make my skin glow and fed me fresh papaya to improve my blood flow. She believed in Ayurvedic rituals to cure all my problems. She gave me spoonfuls of honey and said being happy is what keeps you pretty. And even though I've spread my wings and been through almost everything, my roots are always going to be what my mother taught me. And so while I can't always fit fruits and vegetables in my bag, I've found a different way to adapt. I start my day with a refreshing dose of cucumber, and papayas are still keeping me fresh as a flower. And yes, honey, my morning nectar is what keeps my smile so sunny. Now that I have biotique, I always feel like I've woken up from my beauty sleep. So guys, what is the one lesson your mom taught you that will always stay with you? Write in the comments below.